Hello all. Here to do my unboxing video. My name is Micah Jefferson. I currently work for Holo as a growth and community coordinator, and I wanted to share my unboxing experience with you all, and maybe a little bit of the setup process and see what it's like powering up the first HoloPort. So yeah, let's just get started. And there it is. Love it. So shiny. So this seems to be the correct unit. And yes, we have the indicator light here, air ventilation units, the actual ports that we'll be using, so HDMI, the power, USB 2.0 and 3.0, Ethernet, and if you so choose or need, there's audio jacks and the power button back there as well. Cool. So now that we have everything unboxed, I'm just going to assemble a little bit of it, and then we'll get it plugged in and powered up, and hopefully things will just continue to run smoothly after that. So now we're ready to move on setting up the HoloPort. And then all we have to do is power on. So let's go ahead and hit the power button. Nice. So that power indicator is green, and that means it's on. You can hear this fan spinning as it powers up, and you can see the indicator light blinking here. So let's move on to the next step. So it looks like the next step would be to visit quickstart.holo.host. We're going to do that later. But one thing that we do need to know is getting to know our HoloPort. So what does the indicator light flash mean? So it looks like the flashing blue means the HoloPort is setting itself up. And then we'll wait a second to see if that changes. The next stage should be flashing purple, which it just did. It means it's searching for an internet connection. So any other steps after that, if it's flashing green, it might be looking for a software update. But the aurora light spectrum, which it's reached now, means that it's up and running as intended. So you want to make sure you check out what's in the manual here, and if there are any flashing yellows or flashing reds, that may indicate that there may be something wrong with your HoloPort. So yeah, that was really cool. We may try and make this really easy and quick for you guys. So pretty much all you have to do is plug and play.